Traders, I'm recording a video because we have a new high first entry long, second entry long failure. Okay, so this was super quick trade. You can see it's quite hard to record these trades because they happen quickly and I need to make sure I enter first. So what is the structure? We started with super strong downtrend. This was a very strong sell-off. We had overshoot. You can see we broke the trend channel line. This is oversold area and you can have stronger correction in the opposite direction. In fact, this correction was so strong, you can see it looked quite bullish. They trapped all the bulls. Okay, our runner got stopped instantly. So there is no runner for us, but it looked too bullish. They trapped all the bulls. This is what can happen, but the main pattern is bearish. This is the main focus. So I expect new low to be tested following the trendline rule. You have two-legged pullback. So uptrend played out measured move. There was additional bullish pressure, but the strong push below EMA is indicating to me, okay, there's resumption of bearish bias. I have a new high, first entry long, second entry long below EMA is going to trap traders. You felt second entry long, and also you can draw a wider channel like this, and this will trap all the traders who are trading against the trend because the trend is down. So you are drawing these channels tight with the two-legged pullback, and you expect new low to be tested. So we are taking the other side of these orders. We're taking the felt second entry long, and I still expect new low to be tested following the trendline rule. The overshoot is just generating stronger pullback, stronger than usual. So I'll be looking for potential some wider alternative. Let's see what's going to happen. It may chop a little bit, but eventually I still expect new low to be tested.